Olivia Benson and Olivia Benson meet for the first time. And it was the cat's meow. Hi everyone, I'm Morgan Manousos for Buzz60. Olivia Benson is a fictional NYPD detective on the drama Law & Order Special Victims Unit, played by Mariska Hargitay. Not to be confused with Olivia Benson, Taylor Swift's cat, who the pop star named after Hargitay's character. Usually police officers like dogs, but in the video Swift posted, the two Olivias hit it off.
This is Olivia Benson meeting Olivia Benson, and things are going well so far.
The only thing that could top this is if Olivia Benson became the first crime-fighting cat sidekick for Olivia Benson. Hargitay joined Swift on stage the second night of Swift's 1989 World Tour in Philadelphia. Swift tweeted, "Everyone screamed so loud when Mariska came out during Style. I'm considering just taking her on tour with me." Now we just need Dr. Meredith Grey the cat to meet Dr. Meredith Grey the person. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.